If you're considering outsourcing your IT and cybersecurity, we know you'll have a lot of questions, but you can relax because that's why we've created this video. We want you to be informed, and by the end of this video, I'll have answered our most frequently asked questions about who we are, who we work with, how much we cost, our service and our coverage. I'm James Cash, founder of Superfast IT. If you're an ambitious small business or startup with between 10 and 200 employees and you're looking to outsource your IT and cybersecurity, we can help. In this video, I'm going to answer the top questions that I get asked by companies I speak to about working with us. It's important that you get to know us, so I'm going to answer such questions as: how much will it cost? Who is Superfast IT? What services do we offer? What's included with our IT support service? Can you take care of all of our IT needs? Who else do we work with? What hours do we cover? Will I have to sign a long contract? How do I access support? How do you back up our data? How will you keep us safe from cyber criminals? How easy is it to move your IT support to Superfast IT? Right, let's get started. The big question that's on everyone's lips is, how much will it cost? And the short answer to that is, it depends. We work out the price based on a number of factors, including the number of sites you have, how many workstations and servers, and the number of IT users. After we meet with you for the first time, the next step is to carry out a technology assessment where we gather all of the information that we need to quote an accurate price. We also have some options for you to choose from, such as if you want to upgrade to our enhanced security package. So the price depends on those things too. So who are Superfast IT? Well, it all started in 2002 when I set up my own business. At first, I worked with large enterprises before my accountant asked me to help with his IT. He then referred me on to some of his other clients, and since then, I've focused on working with SMEs. I get a lot of satisfaction making a big difference with smaller businesses. We have made it our mission to help SMEs to be successful using technology. Our clients love our service, and we've grown through word of mouth and referrals. We now have a team of 12 supporting more than 70 companies and 1,500 people across the West Midlands. And you might be wondering about our business name. Well, you've probably guessed it, but we were told so often that we had such a speedy response that we've changed our name to Superfast IT. And we've built our entire operation around solving your IT issues in the fastest possible time. We can take care of all your IT support and cybersecurity for a fixed monthly fee. You effectively outsource everything to a team of experts. We'll solve your day-to-day issues, but also partner with you to bring your long-term technology and security plans to life. We'll help you make the most of IT, which equates to less disruption and more productivity. Our IT support service is designed for small and medium-sized businesses. It includes everything that you need to make technology a competitive advantage. It includes ongoing expert advice and guidance, management and administration of your IT systems, unlimited remote and on-site support for IT issues, essential cybersecurity to keep you safe from criminals, backup and disaster recovery of your servers and Microsoft 365 data, and we'll even host your website and your domain name for free. We also have an enhanced security package which can be added to provide even higher levels of security for companies that have additional security requirements. Major upgrades and system improvements are out of scope, and we discuss and quote these separately as projects. We can take care of all of your other IT needs, and we've been involved in some really exciting projects over the past 12 months. We're experts in helping you to get the right internet connection at each of your sites, building and installing new servers in your office or in the cloud, helping you to meet security and compliance requirements that are set by your larger customers who are securing their supply chains. We can help you to assess where automation may be added across your systems to replace repetitive manual tasks. We can design and install the physical network cabling in your office. We can supply computer and network equipment so you get the right kit at the right price. We can provide you with cloud telephone systems, Microsoft 365, all the technology you need for effective remote working. There's no end to the potential solutions that we could help you to implement to improve your business. We work alongside business owners and senior business leaders where IT is not their primary responsibility. They don't want to get bogged down with the day-to-day IT issues, and they don't want the hassle of sourcing and dealing with multiple technology suppliers, so they come to us. We're trusted by more than 70 companies across the West Midlands area. Our largest client is a 24/7 operation with more than 150 staff, and the smallest has a team of just 2. We have some great clients across different sectors, from call centres to charities, food distributors, manufacturers of building products, makers of children's bikes, businesses involved in shop fitting, industrial machinery, financial services, accountancy practices, and many more. The common factor among all these is the technology that they use, and that's what we excel in. The networks, computers, servers, security, backups, internet connections, and Microsoft 365. We know there will be applications unique to your business or industry, and we can help you with that too. We'll work closely with the suppliers of those systems. Our core hours are 8 AM to 5 PM, Monday to Friday. And outside of these hours, we also offer a 24/7 emergency service. When you need help quickly, you'll usually be able to speak with one of our team within 60 seconds. If you have an urgent issue that's affecting your business, we'll be moving heaven and earth to deal with it right away. We don't require our customers to sign up for long contracts, and we're happy to work under a monthly rolling agreement. Some companies we work with do want longer contracts with fixed pricing, and we can accommodate this too. The main ways you access our support service is by telephone or email. For non-urgent requests, email is the simplest way to contact our team. Or when you need help quickly, we're on hand to take your call. You'll also have access to a dedicated primary technician, our service manager, and our directors as escalation path. Part of our core service, we back up everything on all servers hourly. We then replicate these backups off-site at the end of each day and then onto a third location. This gives you the peace of mind of knowing that there are 4 copies of your data in 3 separate locations. You'll have your live data, on-site backups, backup copies at our primary data centre, and backup copies at our secondary data centre. Now that more data is being stored in the cloud in Microsoft 365, we also back up your email, OneDrive, Teams and SharePoint data 3 times a day. You can choose from our core security package or the enhanced security package. The core package provides the essential security controls that all businesses need, and this includes providing you with best practice security policies, keeping your systems up to date with the latest security updates, securing your computers with anti-malware software, scanning all of your email for spam and phishing attacks, protecting you from visiting malicious websites, ensuring the security of your network, and providing you with secure remote access to work from anywhere. We recommend the enhanced security package to all of our clients because of the sophistication of today's cyber attacks. The enhanced security pack includes cybersecurity awareness training for your team, 24/7 security monitoring of your computers from our Security Operations Centre, monitoring the dark web for your passwords which may have been stolen, and server disaster recovery testing. It's easy to move your IT support to Superfast. You can begin working with us at any time, even during lockdown. We have a customer onboarding process which is designed and refined to make the transition to Superfast a seamless one. As part of the onboarding, we'll fully document your network and systems to make sure that we have all of the information we need to properly support you. So what's next? Well, this covers most of the questions that people ask us, but you'll probably have a few more, and I look forward to answering those when we speak. So get in touch. Fill out the form at the end of the video to book a call with me directly, and we can talk about your IT and cybersecurity. You can also explore the other areas of our website. Our IT support page details the products and services that we provide. If you head to our pricing page, you can get a clear idea of how much we cost. And you can learn more about our people, culture and working at Superfast IT on our About Us page. You could also take a look around our Learning Centre. It's a free resource, not just for our clients, but for the wider business community. It's an education tool to improve your business IT, cybersecurity and digitalisation. If you like what you see, why not subscribe to our popular community newsletter?